Hey, welcome to Ontario Outdoors Adventures. I'm your host, Brad again. What's happening, YouTube? Hope everything's going well. Today we're out here fishing. Take a look at this fucking scenery, man. Take a look. Come on, camera guy. There you go. Beautiful, eh? You can hear the bullfrogs out there. Horny as hell. Trying to get a mate. Before I start fishing, I want to throw a dip in quick. Get some tobacco on my lip. Delicious. Alright, today we're using fucking worms. Just because it's been raining a lot. Fuck off. I'm not using no bobbers or nothing like that. No sinkers. I'm gonna let it float down to the bottom by itself, naturally. You see them? Look at that. What? What?
Nothing's not there.
Alright. Got our bait. Man. Alright, I'm gonna fucking cast her out. Now, when I have a cat on, I'll see you guys then. Hey, been here for like 5 minutes now. Not going too bad. Looks like we got a cat on. Oh, what's that? Little perch. Baby perchy. Just a baby. It's not bad. Little tiny guy.
It's recording.
Got another perch. Man, too bad these guys weren't just a little bit more bigger. Look at that guy. Just a tiny little shit. Come here, come on. Whoop. Done. Hey guys, now we're going to switch from fishing because there wasn't that much fish. We're only catching little guys. So now we're going to go to some woods and see what we can find. See you guys then. Hey, we just finished up fishing because we didn't catch shit, only catching perch. But we went for a walk and that's what we found. Come on, I'll show you. It's fucking crazy, man. Fuck, my stick broke. Take a look at that. Is that crazy? Alright, this way. Oh, there's the tooth. There's the jawline. So sweet. And then found the body. Right here. So cool. Deer right here, man. Come on. Holy crap. This is cool. I don't think that's a deer, man. Looks like a fucking moose. Holy shit. That is awesome. That is sweet, man. Holy crap. Like, that looks like it has to be a moose. Has to be a moose. Or a bear. Might be a bear. But judging from the... What's this? It smells like fucking rot back here. Ugh. I wonder how long it's been dead for though. Or, no, I think this is a deer. I don't fucking know. See what else we can find here. Hey, the camera keeps on fucking dying. Bullshit. I think it's batteries. I need to get new ones. But I've been out here for like 20 minutes now. I think we found this. I don't know what that is. That's something. It can't be a hoof. No. I think that's like a piece of side or something. But though, we found where is it? Okay. I already showed you guys this. And then I found this one over here. I'm not too sure if we got this in here or not. But this is covered with fire ants. And so, I want them to bite me because it fucking hurt. It has to be a moose. Right here. Is this tooth? What is that? I don't know. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, definitely a moose. Right here. That's its hoof. It would be. There's one. So there's that one. There's the skull and the jaw. I just don't want to get bit by them. Oh, they're not fire ants, they're carpenter ants. Taking this one with us too. And then there's a skull over here. Hair in there. See, I don't think this is a deer, because it'd be antlers, right? To me it looks like a canine. Like a wolf or something. Maybe a coyote. I don't know. This is pretty cool. I'm keeping this too though. It was definitely something. This is the coolest part. Oh yeah, here's a jaw for it. You see how the teeth are like that? That I think that was a thing about eat meat all the time. If you line it up, if you line it up, it lines up perfectly, see? And that lines up. Bam. So it was definitely a wolf. Yeah, case closed. This was a wolf. But these other ones though, they were a moose. Well, with all the hair. So it was a moose and a some type of dog. And I'm keep on trying to look for more bones and stuff, but can't find it yet. This has got me rattled. Ah! Go and put a dip in. Even though I've been touching those fucking nasty ass skulls, watch me get fucking, I don't know, some fucked up disease and die. Well, if I die, I'm getting a mouthful of cancer anyways. Oh. I mean, but back to the subject. If you look, you can see where I've been tromping on, trying to find more bone. This is fucking awesome. Like all of a sudden, like, we're catching nothing but, you know, perch. And then I was like, you know what? Fish isn't biting today. Fishing out there. Let's go out and try to, you know, find something else. And boom, just walking, and boom, someone pulling this. It was pretty sweet. Got me pumped. It's always a little treat when you find skulls like that. This is actually my first set of skull. bones that I found. Yeah, so I'm pumped. And Jesse, we're going to make a clip of what he has for skulls. His collection is mind-blowing. He has lots of skulls there. Yeah, I'm still trying to find some. Haven't found anything yet. I think that's it. Pretty sweet, if you ask me. Hey, we're back. The battery's dead again. We have to put new ones in. Found an egg. To me it looks like what are those birds called? A partridge maybe? Maybe? Beautiful bird. So I see you guys in the car. I'm gonna put these down and we're gonna keep on walking. See them. I think we're gonna end it right here now because we need new batteries. They keep on dying on us. So we're gonna end it right here. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys really like this, just slap that like button and punch that subscribe button right in the face as hard as you can. Just hit it, or you just kick it. Do whatever you want. Alright guys, talk to you guys later.